Good day. So this is the issue of my new GE150 Mooer. It's a fluctuating sound. So this is the adapter, AC adapter. Okay. This is the new Mooer. So it's the part number, also serial number. So this is my guitar. I plug it into input, and then the output left mono goes to the power amp. So this is the power amp. Right. So now I'm going to plug the AC adapter to the right. Here you go. Then I turn on the amp. So as you can see, you are hearing a fluctuating sound in the amplifier, even I'm still not strumming the guitar. So when I put on the volume for the guitar, and then try to strum, so you can hear the fluctuating sound. If I try to increase the top tempo, so it looks like it's not following the fluctuation or the flashing of the top LED. And then if I try to click on the rhythm, it's still fluctuating. So the system is version 1.3.0, and then the OTG version is 1.00. So if I move the presets, it's still fluctuating. Alright, so that's the problem I have with my Mooer 150. Okay. So let me turn off the amp and try to directly connect my guitar to the amp. Yes, ma'am. Okay. Then turn on again my amp. So I'm now directly connecting my guitar to the amplifier. So I'm going to turn on the volume. It's continuous sound of the guitar from the going to the amplifier. So there's no issue with my amplifier, but the only issue is on the GE150.